This is wild! I just made this 30-second cinematic sci-fi mini-film using CapCut PC. Let me show you the result first.
Elena, are you okay?
I'm fine, but we've lost the port shield generator. Structural integrity is dropping in the main corridor.
Seedance 2.5 is now powering AI video in CapCut PC, and the big deal here is control. AI video has always been exciting, but creators know the usual problems. Clips are too short, the style changes from shot to shot, one small mistake can ruin a scene, and you often need another editor to finish everything. So let me show you how I made this. Click the one link in the description. It takes you straight to the desktop download page. Open CapCut PC and first go to AI image. Before generating the video, I created the reference images for my mini-film with Seedream 5.0 Pro. I prepared the key visual references I needed, including my appearance, the spacesuit, and the overall sci-fi look of the project. Once the images are ready, go to AI Video. Seedance 2.5 supports up to 50 full-modal reference assets. These can include image references, video references, and audio direction through Video Plus prompts. So instead of asking AI to guess the style, you can give it the visual language you actually want. I upload my references, select Seedance 2.5, choose a 30-second duration, add the prompt describing the full sequence, and generate. This is where the references really matter. In my case, I need the same visual identity, the exact spacesuit design, a consistent spacecraft environment, and one cinematic sci-fi style across the entire video. I also use the references to lock the most important continuity points before generation, so the suit, overall production design, lighting, and visual tone stay as consistent as possible when the scene moves between different shots. The model has much more information to work with, so the result feels more controlled and less random. Then there is Edit Pilot. This brings conversational editing into the multi-track project. You can clean up shots, adjust details, replace elements, change framing, refine motion, and keep editing without manually rebuilding everything. For faster targeted fixes, there is AI Edit. If one background is wrong, change the background. If an object does not look right, replace it. If only one part of the video needs work, fix that section instead of regenerating the entire clip. And AI Extend solves another big problem: your scene ending right when it gets interesting. You can continue the video with prompt control and keep the action moving from the existing shot. Seedance 2.5 supports 2 extensions, so a 30-second generation can be extended up to 90 seconds while keeping the look, lighting, and visual consistency of the scene. That means if I want to continue this sci-fi story after the first 30 seconds, I can build directly from what I already generated instead of starting the next part from zero. Finally, everything can be finished on the CapCut PC timeline. Add captions, music, sound effects, transitions, color, pacing, and export the final version for YouTube, Shorts, or social media. And that is the real advantage for me. CapCut PC is not just generating an AI clip. You can create your references, generate the scene, make targeted fixes, extend it, edit it, and finish the final video in one workflow. Seedance 2.5 gives you longer generation, more reference control, local fixes, scene extension, and a real editing timeline inside CapCut PC. If you want to try it, use the CapCut PC link in the description or comment CapCut and I'll send it to you. Try Seedance 2.5, create your own 30-second AI scene, refine it, extend it, edit it, and see how far you can take one idea inside CapCut PC. Subscribe to AI Bros because AI video is moving insanely fast.
Vector looks clear. We're on schedule for the slingshot maneuver.
Copy that. Reactor levels are stable. It's actually quiet for once. Leo, I've got a massive gravitational anomaly registering on our forward sweep. It's moving fast. Too fast.
Damn! There's a massive meteor right in our path! Brace yourself! Initiating emergency burn! Elena, are you okay?
I'm fine, but we've lost the port shield generator. Structural integrity is dropping in the main corridor.
Oh, where's my suit?
I put it in the locker. Go! I'll try to seal the cockpit pressure doors.